Hi everyone! It's been quite a while since I did a vlog. So today's video is just showing you all how our weekend was spent and some lazy recipes I had prepared for breakfast and lunch. So on Thursday night, we decided to have our dinner from Red Chilli restaurant. This is not a restaurant we go very often, but the food over here is very delicious. We had ordered for soup. I and my husband, we had hot and sour, and the kids had yakni shorba. Both the soups were good. Papads, chutneys, pickles. Then came our main meal, that's Nawabi platter. That had all the grilled items, chicken, lamb, fish. Along with that, we had ordered biryani rice because Armaan loves rice. And then came some roti and a chicken curry. We wanted something spicy for the curry, so we ordered chicken curry because some other curries we had ordered earlier were not that spicy. Then the next day for breakfast, I had made an instant dosa. This recipe I had seen from an Indian chef, Kunal Kapoor, who came live on his Facebook page and prepared. So thought of trying it out with the available ingredients in my kitchen. For this, I had chopped 1 onion very finely, 2 to 3 green chilies and some curry leaves. Add this into a bowl, and to this add 1 cup semolina or rava, 1 cup rice flour and quarter to half cup of maida. Add salt and just roughly mix first. Then you need to add enough water to this and mix. It should be very thin batter, shouldn't be thick at all or else the dosa won't come out well. Mix very well with your hands. Check for the salt and add if more needed. Now heat a tawa, the flame should be really high. Then spread the batter with your hands. This will be a little messy, but that's okay, the end result is worth. It needn't be perfectly round, or you don't even need to fill the gaps also. Spread some oil or ghee. Then after some time, turn the other side. Spread some more oil if you wish. Then turn for a couple of times and take it out. Wipe the tawa every time you take out each dosa. The first dosa that I had prepared was a bit thick, so I added a little more water to the batter. That's what I said earlier, it should be really thin batter, only then you can get thin dosas. Prepare all the dosas the same way. The dosa was really good, though while preparing it was a little mess all around. It's good to try on lazy days especially. Now to go with this, the chef had prepared a chutney with curd. Let me show you that. Beat the curd well first and keep aside. Now to give a tadka, heat oil or ghee. Here I have taken coconut oil. Add few dried red chilies. Then goes a teaspoon of mustard seeds, a teaspoon of cumin seeds, some tuvar dal and some urad dal. Add some curry leaves. Then goes in a tablespoon of ginger chopped and 2 to 3 green chilies chopped. When the ginger turns to a light golden color, add the seasoning to the curd and mix. Add some salt and mix again. And then we are having our breakfast together. You can also have coconut chutney with this. The curd chutney was really simple, so made just that. Having some store-bought pickle along with this. Then I had made the kids do their homework. Moving on to lunch, making a very simple chicken curry. Into a grinder, adding a small piece of ginger, 3 to 4 green chilies, 4 to 5 shallots and 3 to 4 garlic cloves and grinding it. Then into a kadai, adding 1 kilo chicken pieces. To this adding the grinded mix. Then again to the mixer, adding 2 medium-sized tomatoes and making it a puree. Adding it to the chicken pieces. Now then I had chicken masala. You can go for any brands. Adding 2 big spoons to this. Then some curry leaves and salt. Mix and squeeze well with your hands. Cook in medium to low flame, giving a mix in between. Then making ghee rice in a simple way. Heated ghee, and instead of adding whole garam masala, I'm adding a spoon of garam masala powder, then roasting the rice for some time. In between, the chicken is almost getting ready, so adding a tin of coconut milk and let the chicken get cooked in the coconut milk for the rest of the time. Adding boiled water to the rice. I have seen in some restaurants they add green chilies in the rice, so simply trying it out, though later when we had the ghee rice there wasn't much difference in the taste. Do check my link for ghee rice above in the iCard or below in the description box, where I have given the timings for cooking ghee rice in pressure cooker. Meanwhile the chicken is cooked, so giving a seasoning for it with curry leaves and chopped shallots in coconut oil or any other oil of your choice. Then having our lunch together. In the evening time, we just went for a shopping at Ikea. There was sale over there and it's still continuing till May 19th. Even if we don't plan for any purchase there, just going in and looking at the interiors and the settings at Ikea is something refreshing sometimes. There are expensive as well as cheap items too. On our way back, we had tea, and this is a cookie we bought from Ikea, so having it along with tea. Now these are some of the items purchased from Ikea. Everything was at very reasonable price. Some plates, jars, towels, books. Now this flower was just for 3 riyal, so wanted to add some color to my interior. added some stones to this and made it a flower vase. Moving on to making a project for Armaan for his school. His teacher had asked some others to contribute making origami house, so I thought of adding extra items and make it look different. There are two types of houses. I am making this type. In the description box, I shall give the link to the video for the tutorial I learned to make this house. It's simple method, there are few steps to follow, and moreover I had taken only one color. The paper should be of two colors to get the roof a different color. Adding some glue gun to stick it on the foam board. Adding some trees. Painting roads, grasses. And it's done. So that's it, dears. I hope you enjoyed watching today's vlog. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do it soon. See you with more videos. Until then, take care. Bye bye.